Hey, it's Jack. Tuesday, out here on the ranch. A little bit cloudy. Kind of like the market's a little cloudy, right? We got a real cooling off today. A lot of stocks I look at in my watch list, it's almost all red. But that's okay because it's cooling off from being kind of hot, the market, right? Now, this kind of a little bit of softness, I like to get in, take a little position, right, and look for a little more extension of that trend. I'll give you a couple I'm looking at right now. Now, I'm really loving trading HOOD, hood. I'm long some of this, and I'm going to stay long some of it because the future for this company is super bright, but it's also a good trading stock. You can buy 100 shares, do covered calls. You can own no shares, do a naked put. You could own no shares, do a credit spread. It's great for all that stuff, all kind of options, income stuff, directional trading, all of it. Another one I jumped on was this IPO Chime, ticker symbol CHYM. I'm really liking this one. Again, I think the future of this looks great. Now, this IPO, it didn't pop as hard as some of these other IPOs that have doubled kind of right out after they went public. For example, CRWV, right? That one went hot. I'm still trying to get a handle on CRWV. I don't have a handle on it yet. Another one I am getting a handle on, and I think you should really take a look at this, is Circle Internet, ticker symbol CRCL. Now, this one is especially interesting. I'm going to buy and hold this one, and I'm also going to trade it. Now, if you really want to know a big secret about crypto, I'll tell you one right here. Tether is a stable coin. It doesn't go up or down. Yet, it's one of the most profitable businesses in the world. There's an article you can read. Anthony Pompliano, the Pomp letter, he wrote this article. You could Google it. Why Tether may be the best business in the world and why it's so wildly profitable, right? The spread between what they make on the interest securing the token, right, and what it goes for is totally huge spread. That's where all the money's coming from. So Tether is, if you buy Tether as a stable coin, you don't get to make any of that profit because buying a coin, a crypto coin, is not like owning shares of a company. Okay, so you don't see any of that profit in Tether when you're just using Tether as a stable coin. However, if you own the stock, the company, Circle Internet, then you will be able to benefit from them profiting from that stable coin. In fact, the stable coin they have is the oldest one, USDC. Now, this is a fantastic opportunity for traders and investors to really get in on a profitable piece of the crypto world, which is the backbone, the blockchain, right? All kind of new users, new applications. It's going to be a fascinating story with Circle. One of the problems, though, is the IPO was priced at $31. Now it's bubbling around 140. Got all the way up to 160. That's pretty high price relative to that IPO price. So take a look at that, and I'm going to tell you more about this in the next episode.